So this is number 8, the Usain world record problem. It says his world record time for the 100-meter is in 9.58 seconds. Assume that once he reaches his maximum speed of 12 meters per second, he's able to maintain it for the rest of his race. Okay? So your velocity time graph should look like that, right? And he only really has acceleration in that first piece of time. After that, his acceleration is 0, right? So let's start filling in what we can. Okay, so this is 12, and this is meters per second, seconds, and our acceleration is measured in meters per second squared in this case. And it takes him like 9.6, so I'll call that 9.6 seconds. That's also 9.6 seconds. Okay. So let's set up, since we know the total displacement is 100 meters, let's set up our equation based on that. So we could find, let's see here, we could find our total area here, right? This triangle is going to be 1/2 12 meters per second times 9.6 seconds. So that's the area of that triangle. And then I'm going to say, okay, I made a mistake. This is not what the 9.6 seconds is. The 9.6 seconds, I'm going to call this T. I don't know what that time is. Okay? The total time of the race, and I guess I could write 9.58. You know, if someone took the time to measure it that carefully, fine. So this total area is our 100 meters. Now that triangle is 1/2 12 times T. Right? Let me fix that. 1/2 12 T plus. So that's a triangle's area. And now I'm talking about, what, 9.58, 9.6. I'm just going to round it. Okay? 9.6 minus T times 12. And that total area is going to be my displacement of 100 meters, right? So this becomes 6T plus 9.6 times 12 is 115, I believe, minus 12T has to equal 100, right? So that's nice. There we go. Maybe I'll, on the left side of the equation, I get minus 6T. Has to equal, if I subtract 115 from both sides, I'm at negative 15. So that means 6T equals 15. 6, divide 6 by both sides of the equation. Divide both sides of the equation by 6. I get about 2.5 seconds, right? So now I know that this time is actually 2.5 seconds. That's nice, because now I can figure out Mr. Bolt's acceleration, right? Now that I have that time. So I know that his acceleration is going to be his change in velocity divided by his change in time. His final velocity is 12 meters per second. his beginning velocity was 0 meters per second. The final time was 2.5 seconds, and the beginning time was 0. So 12 divided by 2.5 is going to be about 4.8 meters per second in 1 second, meaning Mr. Bolt speeds up by about 5 meters per second every second. And I'm not sure, but I think a cheetah is like 5.5 meters per second, but I'm not sure about that. You'd have to look it up. Anyway, pretty cool problem. Figured out the acceleration of Usain Bolt, and I figured out how long it took him to speed up to a speed of 12 meters per second. Anyway, I hope that helps, and thanks for watching.